So you're editing on Premiere Pro. As you go, you're cutting along and then you end up with something looking like this, where you have lots of gaps. Now you could just drag across every single clip that you have, but there is a much quicker way, and Premiere Pro lets you delete all the gaps that you want very quickly. I'm going to teach you that here on Tasiari, one half of Content Creator Pod, and let's just get straight into it. First thing you want to do is select the region that you would like to remove the gaps for. Now there are multiple ways of doing this, so I can show you some ways. If you want to select everything, you can just click Control or Command and A. Now that will select everything. Now another way to do this is to just select with your mouse, so you can just left click and then drag all the way to the region that you want. So maybe that's the end, or maybe that's just a specific region. And lastly, one way that I really like to do is to click the track select tool or click A and then click on the first video of the section you'd like to start from, and that will click from there to the end. So it just depends what section you want to select. Once you have that, you want to go into the sequence and then click on close gap, and that is it. It will close automatically for you. Super easy and quick tutorial today, but let me know if you have any other questions. I'm more than happy to help.